Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off the option of allowing installation of unknown apps on our Samsung S22. To turn this option off, we need to go to Settings, then Security and Privacy, and at the bottom we have Install Unknown Apps. We have a little warning at the top. Installing apps from this source might put your phone and data at risk, of course. We have a few sources selected, so let's turn them off. It's just a simple checking or unchecking the box, and that's it. Right now we have no sources that we can have our applications installed besides the official ones. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.